Good morning.
Hey, good morning. How's it going?
Uh, I'm shorting PDR and I'm shorting STME. STME credit you need to get out.
Oh, nice. Are your studies working now, or
Nope, nope.
no? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had to close my AMC trade because it was up like 100% or more. So I was like, oh crap. So I quickly took profits on everything.
That this morning?
Yeah, this morning I had cash secured puts in there, and I also had a bunch of shares as well. So when everything gapped up to like $11 or whatever it is, I was just like, oh crap. Okay, I gotta, I gotta take some profit here.
Was that a swing trade or?
It was a swing trade, yeah, yeah. It's one that I've been practicing, like doing my cash secured puts and all practice. So I had like a couple hundred shares, and I would just sell cash secured puts on them every once in a while. But now the cash secured puts were worth a lot, and the shares were worth a lot. So I was like, oh crap, I should just get rid of these now because I don't think this move on AMC is sustainable
Mm.
for today. I would like to buy it when it goes lower, but I figured see what it's doing. It's halting down every time. So yeah, I'm glad I took profits right there. Oh my god, I went from $13 down to $10, going down. And this could be a fun one to trade eventually. Same with GME. I'm sure GME is halted down too. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, halted down. They're probably gonna, yeah, it's probably gonna be pretty bad. Let's see here. But it was awesome. I was just like, waking up. I bought it at, I bought it around $3 a share, and would add a little bit more at $2, and then I saw it curving back up, and I was like, oh, this could be a good cash secured puts. So then I bought cash secured puts for $4. That I'm willing to buy 100 shares at $4. So I bought it higher than the price, which means that it's more money in my pocket right away. But I'd have to wait for a month. And now they're going, now I woke up with this crazy move. I'm like, whoa, okay. I will get out of this trade now. This is insane. Like, that's not a sustainable move. Definitely not a sustainable move. So yeah, it was nice. Made a couple thousand actually on it, which is good.
Nice.
Yeah, I was pretty happy about that. I'm just sad that I got rid of all my shares. I would have liked to have held some AMC, but I think that this move that we had in AMC is ridiculous as far as like if it had gone up here in months and months and taken months and months to get up here, then I think I'd hold because I'd have more support levels. But the fact that AMC is all up at $13 from $3, a day ago, it's not a sustainable move at all. That's just manipulated short squeeze. And as soon as people buy at the top, this thing is gonna, probably collapse. Maybe, $6 more. You never know. But anyway, let's see. They're all hard to borrow. That makes sense. Well, what do we got here? We got Here goes another drop.
Baba maybe a short.
Oh, Baba. Okay, let me take a look. BABA. Yeah, it kind of looks like a short underneath this pivot. Maybe underneath the low of day. Could be interested in it. Yeah. Yeah, looks good. Just triggered a level 1 on the 5-minute.
Yeah.
It's kind of a shallow retracement. Like to see it actually get underneath the low of day, or else. Oh, it's not a bad shallow retracement. I guess I'm just gonna wait for a secondary entry. I'm taking my time today since I'm already up so much from my swing trade. I don't need to rush anything. And also, since all the studies don't really work right now.
Yeah.
Not all the studies, but just my quantity study and showing me where I got filled and my average position and my stop loss. I'm thinking about waiting for AMC to get down to about $6.38. That could be an interesting buy down there for a little scalp. Let's see here. I'm going to look at the Baba. Yep. PBR. Shop. PBR looks like an interesting gap. Gap right underneath the 20. So that's a PBR. Yeah, that could be good. Yeah, right underneath the 20-period moving average. Got room back down to the pivot low. Let's see here. Oh, there's a lot of stocks gapping up. Hood. Okay, Rivian. Rivian looks good. Rivian's breaking out of a swing trade idea that I had. So I might get involved in that. I think it's got room to like $15, possibly. AMC still going down. GME still going down. I'd like to see AMC drop even more. Waiting for that. Waiting for it to basically produce a nice doji candle, you know, or a dip buy, and then a little spike, and then the first spike I get back up to a moving average, I'll probably get out, knowing that the move is, we're on the backside of the trend now, the short side. Bob could I think could chop around here for a bit. Let's see, Shopify. Oh, Shop.
Yeah.
That looks interesting for a short.
Looks good on the daily.
Yeah. Got a nice igniting bar down, which is nice. So that's cool. Problem with some of these trying to buy the dip buy on GME or something like that is these stocks get halted. So if you're stuck in it and it gets halted, your risk, trying to manage that risk is hard. Can't really get out. And then you have to get out when the stock opens up. And that's always not a great situation to be in. So GME just triggered a level 1 to the upside. No, it hasn't triggered yet, but I'm not interested yet. I would really like to see it. I actually almost think it's a short still because it's underneath all the moving averages and everything. I don't know if I'm trying to buy this right now. It's, Let's see what we got. Oh, wow. Take a look at TMCI. I don't know what that is, but that's going up pretty good. TMCI.
Yeah, it's gap down from earnings and now it's like sitting up.
Yeah.
Charles Schwab is up.
It is? Okay, that's good to know. Charles Schwab, that's CSCHW, right? Yeah, I see that. Ooh, I wonder if we could short it. Since they're messing with our studies here.
I know.
Well, you got to the top of that red candles, probably that's where it's going to get. And could even get up to the top of yesterday, 77. It looks like it's trying to get up there. 70, 76. Yeah, probably going to erase yesterday's red, which is good. So back all the way up to like 76, 50. Could see it even getting maybe to 76, 62. Could see it having a little retracement soon. $76.40. Yeah, I think the only way I'm going to catch AMC and GME at the bottom is I'm going to wait for them to just cool down, make some sort of channel. I don't think I'm going to try to dip by this today. It's possible for scalp, but okay, we're getting up there. We're getting up there on Charles Schwab. Here we go. 76. Let's see what else is moving up. I'm going to go to Roku. Oh, Roku's moving up kind of hot, kind of fast too. This is interesting today. What is going on? Roku's igniting the move, just going higher and higher. Roku. Okay. This is quite a good move. Out of the, getting out of there. Could get up to 60, 66, yeah. I'd like to see this Charles Schwab get a little higher. Come on, keep going. $76.40. Almost breaking yesterday's high. Didn't quite do what I wanted it to do, but oh, Rivian breaking out to the upside a little bit.
Level 2 right now.
Yeah. GME, I think, could be a nice short. Just gotta wait for it to get back up to the moving averages here. I wonder if I can even short GME, if it'll even allow me. It says it's hard to borrow. So will it actually allow that? You know, probably not. Roku, I think, could be a interesting short here. Yeah, GME's trying to get up to that. You know, I think GME hits the 55. Yeah, 55 could be good before I try to short it. That's the yesterday, the pre-market little pivot right here. GME pre-market pivot. There's the 55. You never know. $55. What do you think about GME short right around here?
I don't know. I don't really like the way it looks on the daily.
Yeah. I'm looking at the pre-market. I'm saying we're right up into that resistance. I mean, right up into that support. Support should become resistance, that kind of idea.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking, we'll see. I'm looking at it, seeing if it's gonna fall.
U is hitting the moving average on the daily. I'm thinking of shorting that.
U, let me take a look. U. Yeah, that's true. It could keep going higher though.
Yeah.
I guess just wait for a pattern, you know, wait for a legit pattern. Is GME halted again? Probably, right? Okay.
Shopify.
Here goes Baba.
There go Baba. I just added to
There goes
that
the
one.
trigger. You said Shopify?
Shopify, yeah, put an order below the low pay.
Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks nice. I like Shopify. Very nice. Hopefully it gets a nice move down here.
Yeah, hoping Baba can go down to like 77.50 or something.
Yeah. Yeah, at least touch the bottom. All right. Ah! Oh. I could get filled on GME. Let's see if it works.
Oh, Shopify trigger me in.
Yeah. Hopefully it keeps going down.
Hopefully.
Come on. Come on, Shopify.
Taking a partial on that Baba, just in case.
That's a good idea. Yeah, not a bad idea. You're right about you. It might be a interesting short right around here.
Yeah.
I like Baba for lower. I think he could keep going lower.
Yeah, just go ball my ball on that thing.
Yeah. Shopify looks good too. Hopefully, he can drop right around here. Add to it.
And Shopify.
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe it gets going a little bit more.
Yeah.
Come on, don't fail on me, bud. No. No, Shopify. No. Damn you. Well, give it one more bounce, maybe.
I'm waiting for this candle to finish and then I'll move my stuff to. Oh,
Crap.
I may get stopped out then.
Yeah.
Freaking hell.
That was quite a move.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Shopify. Dang you, man. How dare you? Well, also look kind of extended to the downside. I think a pullback up is better than a short into the lows.
Wow, Josh Schwab still going up.
Yeah. Probably gets up to about at 10 o'clock. Yeah, 10 o'clock reversal. Oh, that's annoying. What the heck? Okay, shop bounced up on me. That's fine. I kind of like this U that you mentioned here. Kind of cool.
Yeah, unfortunately, the moving average is also catching up to push it up.
Yeah.
Even though I don't know. Could be a good. I might go in.
I kind of like it. Has to break underneath that single bar, but
Yeah.
looks good. Doji bar. Baba's still going.
Baba still
This is
going.
good. I'm glad Baba's still going.
So after that, no, huh?
Yeah, Baba's looking good. There we go. Baba's nice.
Yeah.
Wait, what's going on? All right.
Dang, that's TMCI would work great, but I was too chicken to enter.
Yeah. Wow, Baba's still going.
Yeah, that's nice.
Very nice.
Getting kind of extended now.
Yeah. Hopefully one more drop. Which one? Rivian kind of looks good for short. Oh, won't let me short it. There goes shot. So we could jump back in that, I think, a little bit.
Yeah, just reducing my share size on shop because I'm not break even for that trade.
That's good. Yeah, good idea. You as well. I'm thinking a short on you. Just waiting. It triggered, you know.
You.
Ah, There's my shop. Shop's looking better.
Yeah.
Maybe add to this when it breaks the low.
Yeah. Thinking the same thing.
Here comes you.
Yep. Yes. Oh, the market is dropping. You is not dropping that much. You know what?
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah, I'm not gonna short that.
Yeah, that's usually you want to see it drop with the market.
Yeah, the market is dropping kind of big, but look at you. Trying to hold on. Same with shop.
Yeah, that's true. Uh-oh. Shop bouncing again.
Yeah.
That's okay. I have my stop loss above that.
Yeah, that red candle.
Yeah, exactly. Hopefully it holds it down.
Bamba is looking good. One more minute. One more minute. Josh Schwab has a doji.
Yeah, thinking this is the top. Ooh, Baba still going down. Here we go.
Nice.
There we go. Come on. You might be
You
oh, sorry, shop might be a pain in the ass. We'll see.
Yeah, you is looking better. I like that.
Come on. Come on, you. What's going on?
Looking at SQ. SQ looks like it's much better than the other short.
Maybe.
What happened? Oh.
Come on.
think like you is about to trigger.
Yeah, you looks good. Hopefully it keeps going down this time.
Yeah, you trigger for me.
Yeah, got it as well.
Hopefully the 20 on the daily is not pushing down.
Yeah.
Baba is going slow, so I'm thinking I should maybe 2 minutes now.
Yeah. Dang. Stock is halted.
Which one?
I'm short AMC, and it got halted.
Oh.
Rivian looks good also for a short. Back down to the low here. You. It was working for a second. See if it keeps going.
Shooting ON. See what happened with that one.
Okay. Waiting for this stock to get unhalted here. I might end up taking a Baba long eventually. On a pop, you know?
Well, pullback.
The little scalp, yeah, it's doing really good, but I think it's due for a pullback soon. I'm just watching it. We're almost to this level on the daily here.
Moving my stop down for sharp.
Yeah, that's a good idea. A little lower. Hopefully it finally gets going.
Yeah.
You looks great. If it just needs to roll over here.
Yeah.
Same with Roku. Roku kind of looks good too. Had a breakout failure to the upside. Starting to roll over. There you go. Come on, you. Roku.
Roku right at the 8 moving average.
Yeah.
Taking the jaw swap long.
Okay. A little extended for me as far as the, level 1, level 2 kind of thing.
Yeah, you're right.
I think it'd be a little bit more of a short idea, scalp short.
Yeah. It's not going. Yeah, you can get out.
All right. I think I'm going to take this bob along in a second. Looks like a level 1 may trigger soon. We'll see. Just waiting. Shot. Freaking annoying.
Yeah.
Definitely doesn't seem like it wants to go lower.
Getting that bought up on that low.
Yeah. Bounce play right there, yeah. Roku looks good. Hopefully this can keep going down. And back to the VWAP. It's probably a good spot. Roku's looking good. Keep dropping, Roku. U's looking better.
U's looking better.
Rivian's looking better. I think shot. We'll see. This next bar, unfortunately, doesn't look good. It's got a bunch of bottoming tails. Hopefully it keeps going. Ah, there's Baba, level 1.
Dang it.
Triggered. Took it
I
long.
missed that. I'm all out of shop.
Yeah, I think it. Yeah. Not sure. Not sure. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Doesn't look so good. It's trying to break the VWAP. I guess we'll see if it breaks the VWAP then. I'll get out.
For which one?
First shot.
Ah.
Yeah, if it breaks the VWAP.
See, I think it's showing that Roku is above the VWAP.
I think the target is the VWAP, so I'm just holding on to it short until it hits that VWAP. But I got the Baba long. Oh, freaking heck. That's quite annoying.
Oh, shop? Yeah.
Yeah. There goes Roku.
There you go, Roku. Without me.
There we go. Nice. Got 25 shares left on Baba. And see what happens to that one. Put my stop loss on John right there. That's very annoying, Sean. Very annoying. Double bottom, yeah, that makes sense. I see what you're doing with me. Roku, I got out right at that VWAP bounce, so that's good.
Nice.
I guess Charles Schwab could be along over this.
I don't know. It could just go sideways in this range. Look at this hitting the resistance area.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping to just go sideways for a while. I really don't want to take it long over this small, consolidation. All right, well, it's breaking yesterday's high now.
Yeah.
It's pretty strong.
Creating
I guess one could take it long.
Kind of creating a new high at the moment.
Yeah, it's breaking yesterday's, that whole area. So, maybe I guess take it long.
Yeah.
Just bar by bar, stop, Hopefully it can keep going. Oh. Cancel. Sell. Alright. Ooh, GME kind of looks like a good short right here. I might take it underneath this pivot here. Especially since the broker's allowing me to trade it. I figure, hey, might as well. It hasn't triggered yet, but underneath the pivot, see this 50? If it loses the 50, could be some nasty move on GME.
Thought about doing that special sauce on GL, but I missed that.
GL? Oh, nice, yeah. Could have been pretty nice, yeah.
You think you can go farther, or you wanna? So we take a fall short of VWAP.
Probably a good idea to take a partial to VWAP. It is green for the day, That's we always talk about that. Yeah, partial right there. That's a good idea. Yeah, I like it. Looks good. Hopefully breaks the VWAP. Still green for the day, so we got to keep that in mind. There's going to be some sort of support somewhere.
Yeah.
But it's got an igniting bar, so that's nice.
Yeah, that's igniting bar is nice.
Yeah. All right, well, I'm still in shop, so I'm putting my stop loss now over this pivot here.
Nice.
Yeah, I gave it a little bit extra just because I was curious if it actually, what it would do.
Wow, look good.
Well, the market's also going crazy. Too.
Yeah.
Something's going. So this is quite interesting. Here comes GameStop, GME. Let's see if it can break underneath this 50. All right. Come on, baby. Hope we can get the spiky Nike down. I almost feel like taking off view, but what I'm going to do is reduce the share size.
Yeah, I mean, you take a part and bar by bar, you know?
Yeah, I'm going to reduce the shares right here. And put my stop loss above this red bar. And then I've got, let's see if GME can get down to that 40. The 200 pure moving average on the 5-minute. Definitely possible. Or 45. Yeah, 45 seems doable. There we go. Come on. What is going on here? Okay. Come on, keep going. 48. Nice. All right. Well, I think GME gets down to 40. So I'm just holding it now, just a little bit. I think AMC as well. Probably gets down to $8 a share. Ooh, Charles Schwab had an engulfing bar right here. This might be the top.
Could be.
SCHW. That little engulfing crack right there.
Yeah.
It doesn't look so good for a breakout. Yeah. I think that might be it. We'll see. We'll see if we can get back down here.
Alright, let me try it.
Yeah, looks good. There we go. Nice. Going.
Wow, wow, bounce and lava.
Yeah, the Baba bounce was good. Very clean, very easy, you know?
Yeah.
Just kind of what you want to see from price action. Just nice, easy moves. All right. How am I doing for the day? All right, nice. I'm up like a half an hour. I've only been trading with super small shares, so I mean, there's really nothing I can do.
Yeah. Down like one, or let me see, one and a half, I think.
Okay, that's not bad. I'm actually going to take off the rest of my shares on shop right here at the low.
Okay.
There's no point in holding this. I feel it's might double bottom again. Okay, so yeah, I made a half an hour for the day on this platform, and then a nice big chunk of change on my Webull. I feel like I traded good. I think my Baba, the Baba long and the Baba short was my favorite.
Yeah, that one was nice.
Yeah, I just loved how easy it was. It was like it tried to go higher, it couldn't break so many times, and it was like I didn't take the first level one. I took it after a secondary entry, so I felt good about that. And then I managed it bar by bar, and I got out, took it long, and just got out of it now. And then the Roku as well. I love my short on Roku. I took that level one on the 5-minute.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I didn't hold for this last 2 bars on Roku. That would have been wow, you know.
Yeah.
That would have been nice. I got out right at the VWAP. It's hard, you know, because it's like you know that the stock is green for the day so far. So your idea is that you're shorting into strength, whatever time frame, you know, some lower time, some higher time frame, like an hourly chart or something. There's going to be strength there, and so you have to know that when you're shorting against the trend, even if you're going, even if it's a good pattern, the trend, since it's red for the day, the trend is still, you know, considered it's considered, or green for the day, it's still considered, you know,
Yeah.
red. I want to check something though, because the Charles Schwab was acting weird for a second. Let's see here. I want to double check that I don't have any strange ass things. Like, so basically I tried to get out of, let's see there. All right, looks good.
Okay, I may have to set some share out of you again. Because that Tony moving average catching up.
You know, that's not a good sign for you as far as holding up to the long. That might actually be more downside for you.
This might, yeah. It's just I don't like that the moving average is catching up.
Yeah.
I mean, that's all still a green day for it. I kind of want a short Baba again, but I don't like that green candle previously.
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
Maybe-
it's like, and also look at the 2 minute. You're shorting right into the 20 on the 2 minute.
Yeah.
Well, basically, 8 period moving average. So yeah, you might run into some problems here.
Yeah, if it has been like a red candle previously, then yeah, I would like to short, but
Yeah, I think it may even Baba might even go up back up to the 20 right here, a little higher
yeah.
before coming back down. So yeah, our study's still not working, right?
Nope. I might add to this Charles Schwab if it's go below that.
Oh, you think, yeah, 3-bar play right there.
Yeah.
True. It's true. It's a 3-bar play. Be careful though. I would say the reason being is, well, it could work. You broke the high of day, so that's enough to get all the shorts out of it, and then for it to come back down. But not sure. Not sure what can we expect? Can we expect it going all back down to VWAP, or can we expect it? Like, look at the left. We got support right at 76.70.
Yeah.
So it's will it bounce there, or will it slice right through it? We don't know. I'm glad I got out of shop. Look at that.
Yeah,
So
all
close.
right. Crazy.
Yeah. I mean, I gave it a chance. You know what I probably should have done on shop, looking at it shop, is I should have gone in with like really small shares, and then when it went against me up over the VWAP, just gotten out, but then got right back in short, and then quickly taken a partial right at the low of day, and then got back out, and then not trade this trade until it's either breaking the new pivot, which is the 56.92, or it breaks to the upside and we see it do like some sort of, transition.
Okay. TMCI trigger entry for me.
Which one?
TMCI.
D as in doctor?
No, TMCI.
Oh, PMCI.
T, Tom.
Oh. PMCI. Oh, I don't think I have anything.
Tom, Mary, Cat. India.
Yeah, Paul, Mary, Cat.
No, Tom. T.
Oh, T. Ah, wow. You got the short?
Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but
Looks good. See, I'm glad that 3-bar play didn't trigger on Schwal. I think it would have been a trap.
Yeah.
And now Unity is triggering a level 1 right off that area.
Yep.
What I'm doing these days now is if I get a level 1 right off the VWAP and the 20, going with like really small shares if the 8 is above it, and then if it breaks the 8 and holds, then you can add.
I'm thinking because it's long on Roku. What do you think? Maybe
Yeah, I don't think that's a bad idea. I think it's right at the 20. I guess my only problem is it's below the VWAP, below this. So I think you'll be right in the direction, like you're going to get it, but you'll be wrong in the timing. So like you'll get in, they'll trigger you in, and then you'll have to sit through a bunch of chop, like a stage. You know, like stocks have 4 stages: stage 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
I think you're gonna have to sit through a stage 4, which is all that chop sideways, back and forth. Or sorry, stage 1, before it gets into a stage 2 uptrend. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna avoid the stage 1, but letting it trigger, go sideways for a while, let those moving averages sort of crisscross, and then turn into a stage 2. And then that way I can get in when it actually starts doing an uptrend. That's what I would say. Unless you're like, oh no, I'm planning on just getting in, adding a little bit at a time, then I'd say go for it, because you might get the bottom here. Especially if you give it a little bit wider to stop. Like I would give it down to 63. Oh wow, STNE triggered without us.
STME?
Yeah, STNE.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's not late.
Are you able to use your reverse button anymore on Thinkorswim?
Oh, I haven't tried. I didn't set that up.
I'm always curious what is going to continue to work and what is not, you know?
Yeah.
Like on their platform, because these different brokers have different rules. So Charles Schwab has stupid rules that at least I've experienced with the boxing thing. So I'm wondering if that's going to start coming into effect with anybody on Thinkorswim, and it won't allow you to reverse or like add more shares and flip it, you know, that kind of thing.
Yeah. Yeah, SMTE could be a short.
SMTI?
STME.
Oh, STNE. Yeah, that one looks great. That one actually triggered already.
Yeah.
A couple times. You got the trigger above the VWAP, then it sliced through the VWAP, then it triggered after a retest of the VWAP. So it's looking good. Let's see. Take a look at this. Oh, this is awesome. I bought, so the stock Wolf, WOOF, Wolf. I did something called a vertical. So I bought a put. I sold a put that basically expires, you know, in January 21st.
Yeah.
And then besides selling a put, I bought a put. So basically, what it means is like if I will get paid for the put that I sold, if the stock, regardless of whatever the stock does, if it goes up, it goes down, I'm getting money for that. If it goes against me and I'm forced to buy those 100 shares, I will be forced to buy those 100 shares, which is fine. But I'm also, since I bought a put, I'm also going to make money on the put as well. So I get to collect the shares and I also make money on the put that I bought. I don't know if that makes sense. It's like you sell a put and you buy a put. It's called a vertical. And it's incredibly amazing strategy. Because basically it's saying like, I want to own these 100 shares, but I want to get paid for the 100 shares if by saying I agree to buy them, but I also want to get paid if the stock goes lower.
Man, that Roku level 1 would work great.
Oh, did it work great? Yeah, let's see.
I didn't take it though.
Okay, you got the level 1, yeah. So now let's see what it does. Is it going to bounce off the VWAP, go sideways a little bit, create a stage, probably a stage 1. But yeah, it's green. So you can imagine there's something's green for the day. You know, a lot of people's stop losses are actually at the low of day. They're not putting their stop loss under here, underneath this pivot. Only the day traders are putting their stop loss under the pivot. But like the long-term traders, they're picking up the shares right here saying, Roku's getting out of the downtrend. I want to own Roku. So they pick up shares. They probably have 3 places they're picking them up. Like one at the low of the day, which they picked up, one near VWAP, and one near the 20. And if the stock loses the 20 and then breaks back below this pivot, then heads to then you know that's the low of the day. Is probably where it's heading. Now Roku's going up. Now my idea is it's probably going to go into a stage 1. So I'm going to have some fun with this. Stage 1. What can I expect? What should I expect from? Oh, wow. So GME, so we know where support is now on AMC and GME and all that stuff.
Oh, I'm out of that PMCI.
Which one?
PMCI.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Kind of want to try it for fun. Little stage. Let's see. Let's see if we get a little. Trying to get some squeeze here on AMC. I might go in long on this. If it gets above the VWAP and holds. There we go. Probably getting above the 20 now. Next level, VWAP.
Yes, but yeah, Baba hitting the VWAP and the 20.
Yeah. Very nice. So here's that pullback. I was waiting for Roku. So now we got the Roku pullback. So now it can go through its stages. Stage 1 here, go sideways for a little while, and then see if it can break above the VWAP or the 20. funny how AMC and GME look exactly the same. They're like, they're just algos running both of them. Yeah, it's funny. Just algos here. Okay. People got their stops here. Take them out. People got their, shorts are up here. Let's take them out. Let's do it both. Keep the stock trading in a narrow range here as long as we can, or not in a narrow range, but in this range. That way we can keep collecting on the spread. All right, I think I'm gonna call it a day. I can't see myself buying AMC at this price now. I feel like it got way too extended in too short of a time. So I feel like as long as it goes sideways for a while, and that moving out, that 20 catches up, I'd be totally down to buy AMC. Or better yet, pulls back down to the 20. And then I could collect it down at the 20, and then, my target would be back up to the pivot high that it's sort of creating today. But I don't know. I don't think it's gonna. It could squeeze. You never know. If there's enough shorts in this, it could squeeze. I think the higher probability trade is probably just a sideways chop, and then tomorrow a drop a little bit, and then sideways some more, and same with GME. Wow, I can't believe GME got to 80 today.
Wow, Wolf is like sitting up, man.
Wolf is going up?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay, great. Because that's good for my, that's good for my cash secured put. I bought my cash secured put for what was it, 160 something or whatever, 150. And then I sold, I sold a put for 150 and then bought a put underneath it. But just in case it does go lower, I get paid. All right, well, here's Baba right here. Got a level 1 on the 2 minute. It triggered. I don't love it anymore. But I think it could be a scalp. I'm waiting for the VWAP. I'm actually thinking calling it a day anyway. Let's see. Messages.
It's Roku looking better for a short now.
Yeah? Let's see. Yeah, I mean, it's coming right into that VWAP, right into the 20. Hasn't triggered a level 1, but definitely could.
Yeah.
That Charles Schwab is holding pretty strong.
I know.
Based off the daily chart, it looks great. Very strong stock today. Must be because of all the, all about trading. Everyone trading on Charles Schwab now.
You think that might be why?
Yeah, I'm thinking that people are anticipating like good earnings, and they got more clients now, and everything is. Maybe they're gonna update things, do things better. I really hope so. That'd be great if Charles Schwab starts implementing great stuff. And, yeah.
Taking this GL long for level 3 to the upside.
GL.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Why are you trading GL? GL. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah, it does have a level 3. 20's kind of far from it, but the pattern looks pretty good. The volume's kind of light on this. I'm not going to trade it, but I do agree the pattern is there.
Yeah. Bounce off the 8 on the daily, so.
Yeah, it's probably trying to get to that 8. A little tricky, but I mean, sorry, probably trying to get to that, popped off the 8, yeah, and then up here, maybe, let's see what happens. Ooh, AMC squeezing, making shorts a little worried. They only have to get worried if it breaks over that pivot at 1071. That's when I want to look about possibly getting in long, if it does actually do that. But I want to see it consolidate for a long time before I jump into there.
Roku might come back now.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying? Like, you get that. I was thinking it's okay for a scalp for sure, but in the end, you got that 8 and the 20 above it and the VWAP above it. So you're dealing with some resistance there.
Yeah.
And if we know anything about trading, you don't want to buy into resistance. You want to buy on the break of resistance.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, so people buying AMC right now, buying into this, if you look to the left, there's that resistance. That's dumb. They're buying into the resistance. They should just wait for it to break the resistance. And then they know that, because the whole idea is you want to buy when you have the least amount of selling against you. You don't want to buy when there's more selling. So if you already see that selling occurred in an area and you're buying into the selling, you're just buying into the possibility of either it breaks and great for you, you bought early, or B, it goes against you and you took an unnecessary loss. I think it's always better just wait for resistance to be cleared and then take it long. And that's why I'm really into not taking a shallow level 1 pullbacks.
Yeah.
Because my idea is like, well, resistance is right there. Resistance is so close. Whereas a deeper pullback, I go, okay, resistance is farther away. So I can at least get a target to resistance. And then if resistance doesn't become resistance and it doesn't hold, then great. But yeah, I mean, like, look at AMC and GME. They're gonna have to go sideways for a little while. And like, for instance, Charles Schwab, someone buying right here into resistance. It's like, dude, there's resistance. There's resistance right here.
Yeah.
And then watch, it pulls back. Everyone gets freaked out. They get out of the trade. Comes back. Oh, Alibaba just triggered short level 1.
I'm gonna wait for one more candle on Baba.
Yeah, wait for a secondary entry or something, just in case.
Yeah.
Because in Baba's case, yeah, you got the 8 right underneath it. All right, I'm gonna close the platform down and just call it a day. All right. All right, man. Well, have a good day. I hope you're doing good trading.
Yeah, red for the day at the moment, so I don't know. We'll see.
But I think we need to fix. I think we just need to get that study working. Once we get the study working, I think it'll be better. I'm having a hard time myself.
I feel like it's not gonna be to fix. I think it's kind of messed up now.
You don't think it'll work? It's just.
I don't think it will work.
How come the share size stuff though works? I don't get that. Like, so that works.
That means the share size is just because, you know, that one. Yeah, that one. I
Maybe
think
we
one
just
is-
need to have a. Maybe there's a new study. Like, if we just write a study that basically gives us the price that we're in on the chart, right? Like,
Yeah.
gives us a line, and then the
Yeah.
price where our risk unit is, where
Yeah.
$50 loss would be, or whatever you choose. Just that. That's all I need is basically that too, because that's the part that I'm having problem is that I'm like I get filled and I don't know I'm in the trade because I have to look up at the part that says position on the top, you know, on the not on the chart but up there, you know. And I'm so used to seeing the blue line on the graph to know that I'm in the trade. I made like a dark blue line whenever I'm in a trade. So my visual thing is off. Like I'm like, oh, like so I forgot I was in a couple trades today. Like I forgot like, oh, I still have this amount of shares. And then the other thing is I don't know where my risk unit is. So when shock was going against me, I was thinking, well, it's probably not going to give me that much of a loss. But if I know where my risk unit is, I see a line on the graph, I can say, oh, when it gets up to this area, I can visually see that's about half of my R. Do you see what I'm saying? Like you can sort of see where are those lines? Where is your stop loss? Where is your R unit? So basically, it's just I just need a line for an R unit and a line for just show me where my average price is, where I'm in. And that's all I was using that one study for. I don't know why it doesn't work. It was such a cool study. Maybe I could submit that to I don't know. Maybe someone could figure it out. I don't know. Maybe there's someone in those forums.
Yeah.
I'm sure after a little while, maybe it'll start working again. That would be nice. I don't know why it doesn't work. It doesn't make sense, you know? Like, why does that one not work, but the position size works? I mean, you know, that's the same thing. It's telling you how many shares to take based off of what you're saying you're going to risk. So, something weird, but all right, man. Well, be safe. Don't you know, dig yourself deeper and deeper. Just, you know.
Yeah, it should be fine. All my trade are working at the moment.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it'll be okay.
Well, I will talk to you later.
Yes, sir. Talk to you later.
All right, man. Take care.
Okay. Bye.
Okay.
What is going on? Gee, I'm not going up as fast. Bye, brother.